For week 26, we discussed the quadriceps. We'll be starting with the rectus femoris. Its origin is the anterior inferior iliac spine, or the AIIS. In order to find that, we find that iliac crest. We are not going to be stopping at the first point or the top point, but the point directly underneath this. So anterior inferior iliac spine. Its insertion is the tibial tuberosity, and so that will be on the tibia. So big tib, little fib, and this bump directly on top here will be that tibial tuberosity. Its actions are to flex the hip, so bringing the leg up, and then extend the knee. So if we were to have our knees flexed, it'd be doing a little kick. Next we have the Vastus Lateralis. Its origin is the lateral posterior femur and the greater trochanter. So you're going to find the linea aspera, and you're going to be on the lateral side of that. And then you have the greater trochanter as well. And then its insertion will be the tibial tuberosity here. So again, we're going to be on the proximal end of the tibia on this bump. Its action is just to extend the knee. And then finally you have the Vastus Medialis. Its origin is the medial posterior femur. So we are going to find that linea aspera here, and we're going to be on the medial side of it. And then its insertion is the tibial tuberosity. So we're going to be on the big tib on the proximal end on this bump here. And then its action is to extend the knee.